Log in to your Seers Ai dashboard and select your domain. Go to the Customize section and open the Preferences bar setting. Under the Framework section, turn on the Google Consent Mode GCM v2 integration using Toggle on. Then save the changes. Your changes have been saved. Now, log in to Google Tag Manager. Go to Triggers and add a new one. Name the custom event, called Seers Ai Trigger, exactly as it appears here on the screen for proper tracking setup. Tip: take a moment to make sure everything is aligned so your tracking works perfectly. Edit trigger configuration. In the end you will find the option, Custom Event. Name the custom event, called Seers Consent, exactly as you see here on screen to ensure everything is working correctly. Then save the trigger so changes apply smoothly across your setup. Next, go to Tags and choose any non-Google tag from your workspace to continue your configuration. For example, select the HubSpot tag. The configuration box will open. In the Triggering section, click the Edit icon, then open the Tag Configuration Edit option. Go to Advanced Settings. In Tag Firing setting you will find Consent Settings, and enable the option, Require additional consent for the tag to fire. A bar will appear below to add the required consent. Now, open the Seers Setup Guide titled Install Cookie Consent Banner in GCM v2 using Google Tag Manager, GTM, plugin. From the consent table, select the required consent type based on your tag. For HubSpot, choose Statistics Consent and paste it in the required consent bar. Then, edit the trigger below and select Seers Ai Trigger, the one you created earlier. Save the changes. And now you are all done. Now, here's another example. Suppose you select the Microsoft Clarity tag. The same steps apply. Once the configuration box opens, edit tag configuration. You will find Advanced Settings option. Click on Consent setting, choose Require additional consent, add required consent, and this time, from the consent table, select marketing consent, that is, add storage, copy it, and paste it into the required consent bar. In the Triggering section, click the Edit icon. Then, select the Add option, find Seers Ai Trigger, add it, and save your changes. And that's it. Submit the changes and then publish it. You've successfully enabled GCM v2 through GTM and activated advanced settings for non-Google tags.